Do you want a lower monthly mortgage payment? If so, you came to the right video. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, I will show you how I lowered my mortgage payment by almost $100, $92 to be exact. And I will show you how I did it. I will also share a couple of other ways that you can lower your mortgage payment. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And now let's jump right into the video. So recently I received a letter pretty much stating that my mortgage payment has gone up. And this was due to the value of my home increasing and then causing the taxes to increase as well, thus causing my payment to be a little bit higher. It wasn't drastically higher. I think it was like $22, $23 more than what I normally pay. So I started looking into it. I'm like, man, this is probably going to happen to all of my rental properties. All the payments are going to up since all of them have risen in value dramatically over the last couple of years. So I am expecting letters for all of my rental properties as well. So I started looking for ways to lower my monthly payment. The first thing that I did was look at the payment. And my payment includes three different things. First off, it includes the taxes that are paid to the government. Second, it includes insurance on the property. And third, finally, the mortgage, the money that I owe to the bank. So all three of those things make up my monthly payment. The first thing that I looked at was obviously the insurance, since that's one of the only things that I can personally change. So what did I do? I went shopping around for lower insurance. So after shopping around with all the biggest carriers, most of them had decent prices. Pretty much all of them were lower what I was currently paying, pretty much for the exact same coverage. But a lot of them were giving even bigger discounts if you include your auto policy. Personally, I have my cars insured with Root Car Insurance simply because they give me the best deal out there, and I love their service. I love their mobile app. It is so simple to use. And then I realized Root Car Insurance has also homeowners insurance. So what did I do? I got a quote from Root Car Insurance and they gave me an awesome deal. So now I got a package deal. I got my vehicles insured with Root and my home. And they gave me an awesome price. And this price lowered my monthly payment on my mortgage by $92. And I was super excited. But other carriers that I checked as well, pretty much they were all lower than what I was currently paying for my home. So I could have simply switched to another carrier and saved money as well. But after bundling everything together, my cars and home with Root, I ended up getting the best possible deal out there. So that is how I saved almost $100 on my monthly payment, which I'm super excited about. So what I recommend you guys do is simple. Shop around for new homeowners insurance. You can even check out Root. Just make sure you use that link in the description box below. Personally, Root gave me the best deal out there, so I went with them. There are a ton of different carriers out there, so make sure you shop around, get at least a couple of different quotes, and see which one is giving you the best deal. But being completely honest, this was long overdue. Since I purchased this house, I have had the same insurance policy for like 7-8 years, and over the course of this time the price has slowly increased, but I was always too lazy to shop for another insurance, so I just kept up with the higher payments. But now I finally decided to look for a different policy, and I'm glad I did because it has saved me a ton of money in the process. But this is not the only way that you can lower your monthly payment. But in my opinion, this is the easiest one that you can do yourself. There are other ways that you can lower your monthly payment, but they are a little bit harder and some of them might require you to spend money. The other way that you can lower your monthly payment is by refinancing your property. This can take between 30 and 90 days, and it can require you to pay money out of your pocket, or it can require you to add funds on top of your loan. Also, refinancing your mortgage will pretty much reset you for another 30-year loan. So if you have lived in your property for 10 years and now you have 20 years left of payments, you can pretty much refinance, get another 30-year loan with way lower payments. But that is all up to you. That is all based on your financial situation and what your long-term plans are. But that is definitely an option if you are looking to lower your monthly payment. Also, one other thing that I would like to mention, interest rates right now are very, very low. So if you bought your house 5, 6, 7 years ago, interest rates were way higher. So when refinancing, you'll be locked in at a lower interest rate, thus saving you even more money on your monthly payment. One other way to lower your monthly payment is by removing PMI, private mortgage insurance. I know a lot of people that buy houses, they get hit with PMI, and that is just extra money that you pay on your monthly payment to pretty much protect the bank if you default on your loan. And a lot of times this can be removed once you have 20% equity in your property. So for example, if you purchase your property for $100,000, you have lived in it for a couple of years, made your monthly payments, and then your loan has gone even lower. And then over the course of a year or two, the value of your home has increased, let's say to $130,000, $140,000. But as long as you have 20% equity in your home, you can call up your lender and ask them to remove PMI from your payment. A lot of times PMI insurance is costing you anywhere between $50 and $150 every single month on your monthly payment. So removing this private mortgage insurance can be very beneficial and can definitely give you a lower monthly payment. One other thing that I would like to mention, a lot of people do not even know if their payment includes PMI. So what I suggest, check your statements, call up your lender and see if you have PMI on your mortgage. And one final way that you can lower your monthly payment, this one is probably the most complicated one. Personally, I haven't tried it, but there's people online that claim they have done it and they have lowered their monthly payment. And that is to go to your county's clerk's office, to go to the courthouse, and pretty much ask the city, the county to revalue your home. So at the end of the year, when you get the paper that shows you how much taxes you have paid on your property, that pretty much shows you the value of your home, you can dispute this. So if they're claiming your house is worth $200,000, but you believe it is worth $150,000 or $140,000, you can dispute the value of your home with the city, with the county, if you believe your house is worth less. So if they figure out it is worth less, this will lower your tax bill and you will pay less in taxes on your property. And overall, this will lower your monthly payment as well. But personally, I recommend the easiest way, which is shopping around for new insurance. It has worked very well for me and I ended up saving almost $100. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick little video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to drop a comment below. Let me know if your mortgage payment has gone up recently. Also, let me know if you have tried lowering it and if you will be trying one of these methods to lower your monthly payment. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.